we do the, well, I call them rounds. I don't know what anyone else calls them. Doesn't matter to me what other people call them, but we call them rounds. Each time we work on a problem and apply the tapping to the problem. So last time we said we start out and we say, even though I have this problem, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. And then we do the tapping on each of the sites. Right? And that's where we kind of finished. We didn't get any further than that, correct? And then you start by assessing on a scale from 1 to 10, and then you, of whatever that problem is, and then you start with the setup, and then each of the points, you take a deep breath, and then you assess. Most of the time, the number when you assess the second time will be different than the first time. It may be higher, it may be the same, but frequently it goes down. So what do you do when it doesn't just go away? Which it does sometimes, but it doesn't go away. So this is not clear on your page, so I'd suggest you write this down so that you can do this. This is just a little bit different. When you still have some of the problem still there, the headache's still there, the whatever it is, the anxiety, the nervousness, the fear, you name it, you can apply it. And so, rather than saying, even though I have this problem, you say, even though I still have this problem, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I still have this problem. Good morning. Then, so you got that? And then what you do is, rather than saying, this problem, this problem, this problem, this problem, you say, this remaining problem, this remaining problem, this remaining problem. I'm showing how you continue with EFT if it doesn't just go away the first round. Okay. So you go, even though I still have this headache, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Do that 3 times, and then this remaining headache, this remaining headache, this remaining headache, this remaining headache. Don't ask me why this is how it's done. This is how it's done. Seems to always work. And you just keep doing that until whatever that problem is taken care of. And for some things, it might be months. Some things, it'll be 10 minutes.
Can you say that sometimes when you do like other problems,
yeah.
so then you just start over again with those problems?
So, did you have an example? Mm-hmm. So,
like you finish out the first problem before you start the next one?
Yeah.
Services?
Yeah. So, there's so many examples. Here's how this works, kind of with what you just said. I'll say, even though I have this problem, even though I have this headache, let's use headache, and I'll be tapping on it, and suddenly, this is how, it's very intuitive. A thought or a memory or an emotion will pop in. One of those trees will pop into view that we talked about last time. It'll as you're doing it. And what you do is it's saying, work on me right now. And so you finish out but as soon as as soon as that tree presents itself, I work on that. I'll finish with, take a deep breath, 1 to 10, but then I'll go, okay, this tree wants to be worked on. Those pop up on purpose. It's part of that energy system saying, then the intelligent healer in you saying, okay, this is part of this headache, or this is part of this depression, or this is part of this fear. And here's the opportunity to do something about it now. And so you just, even though I have this, maybe it's suddenly your back hurts, or maybe you have this memory of somebody hitting you in the head with a snowball and you got really sad or something when you were 4. I don't know.